Make your kitchen smarter, more organized, and stylish. In today's video, we're featuring 5 amazing kitchen organizing products that will give your kitchen a fresh new look, save you time, and make everyday use even easier. All product links are given below the video. Check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep getting new and creative ideas. Number 1. Struggling with cluttered cabinets and messy shelves? Upgrade your storage with Cintis Cabinet Shelf Organizer. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or bathrooms. Flexible placement anywhere. Imagine spices, plates, or toiletries neatly organized and easy to find. 4-pack design maximizes storage space. No more wasted room. Large capacity shelves fit seasonings, plates, cans, and more. Crafted from premium pet material, durable, lightweight, and modern. Innovative U-shaped design ensures optimal weight distribution. Each shelf holds up to 11 elms. Store confidently, no sagging. No installation needed. Just place and organize instantly. Seamless, one-piece design makes cleaning effortless. Just wipe and go. Combine multiple units for even more storage and versatility. Quick access keeps essentials right where you need them. Transform your space. Enjoy a tidy, upgraded experience every day. Ready to organize smarter? Get your Cintis Shelf Organizer now. Number 2. Tired of messy oil spills and cluttered countertops? Imagine cooking with perfectly organized, drip-free oil bottles. Meet the Siniway oil dispenser bottle set, your kitchen's new best friend. Each set includes 4 17OZ glass bottles, fewer refills, more convenient. Wrapped in durable 18/8 stainless steel for double layer protection. Non-drip pourers ensure precise, mess-free dispensing every time. Stainless steel funnel makes refilling quick and spill-free. Measurement markings let you track oil usage at a glance. Organize easily with the elegant, stable wooden shelf. Labels and pen included, customized for oils, vinegars, or sauces. Dust-proof flap caps keep your oils clean and uncontaminated. Eco-friendly, reusable, and airtight, ideal for every kitchen. Perfect for home cooks, kitchen organizers, and eco-conscious users. Upgrade your kitchen. Enjoy cleaner, healthier, and more efficient cooking. Ready for a smarter, tidier kitchen? Try Cineway today. Number 3. Struggling with messy pot lids in your kitchen? Meet the Joseph Cupboard Store lid holders. Perfect for small kitchens and maximizing cabinet space. Imagine opening your cabinet, every lid neatly in place. Each set includes 4 self-adhesive holders. Mount them inside cabinet doors or deep drawers easily. No tools needed, just use the strong 3M VHB tape provided. Simply clean the surface, peel, and stick. Done in seconds. Designed for lids 6 to 9.5 inches in diameter. Keep lids organized, accessible, and save valuable space. No more clattering lids or wasted drawer space. Holders are sturdy, reliable, and blend with any decor. Not suitable for large lids or textured surfaces. Upgrade your kitchen storage. Enjoy a clutter-free cooking space. Ready to organize? Grab your set of Joseph lid holders now. Number 4. Tired of messy spice jars cluttering your kitchen? Imagine a kitchen where every spice is visible and accessible. Introducing the Pimeasto Adhesive Acrylic Spice Rack Organizer. Crystal clear acrylic design blends seamlessly with any decor. Remove the protective film to reveal its high transparency. Choose your installation, strong nanotape or classic screws. Mounted on cabinet doors, pantry walls, or smooth surfaces. Removable end caps keep jars secure but easy to grab. No more tipping or falling, your spices stay safe and organized. Durable, thickened acrylic resists moisture and corrosion. Holds spice bottles, sauces, oil jugs, versatile for any kitchen. Wipe clean in seconds. Always looks pristine and modern. Perfect for home cooks, apartment dwellers, and kitchen enthusiasts. Upgrade your kitchen organization with Pimeasto today. Number 5. Tired of messy drawers and lost utensils? Meet the Algen Silverware Organizer, your new kitchen essential. Picture this. Effortless access to every fork, knife, or spoon. No more digging around. Everything's right where you need it. This organizer adapts to your lifestyle. Flatware, cosmetics, even jewelry. Expandable design fits any drawer, big or small. Choose 5 to 7 compartments for ultimate customization. Installation free, just place it in and start organizing. Crafted from BPA-free, durable PP material for safe storage. Cleaning is simple, just rinse or wipe and you're done. Anti-sliding pads keep everything securely in place. Buckle design ensures smooth sliding and easy adjustment. Transform cluttered chaos into seamless organization instantly. Upgrade your drawer experience with Algen today. Ready for a tidier, more efficient kitchen? Don't wait. Click now and bring order home with Algen.